Did your child just drink something out of the cupboard they shouldn't have? Keep watching and I'm going to show you what to do if you think your child has drunk something poisonous.
Mom!
Hi, I'm Tammy Marshall from the Mummamedic. I am a registered paramedic and mum to two wildly lovable boys. I'm here today to give you life-saving advice for busy mums. Now, if you want to get more of my content, what I need you to do is hit that subscribe bell down there. Let's get started. Some of you mums might remember me from the series Ambulance Australia. Now, in our very first series, in our very first episode, myself and my sister went to a poisoning. We had a 1-year-old child who had drank stainless steel cleaner from under the sink. Now, kids can get into all manner of poisons that are around the house. I'm going to give you a little bit of advice on what to do. First of all, we need to make a decision. Are they presenting with life-threatening injuries? Life-threatening injuries being they are unconscious or they're having difficulty breathing. In that case, you are going to call 000 straight away. You're going to get an ambulance running to you. So what if they're behaving normal? It doesn't appear that they've consumed a large amount. Here's the steps that you need to take. We're going to find out what they drank. See if you can get them to show you. Try and work out perhaps how much they've drunk. We're not going to induce vomiting. If it is something that's quite caustic and can burn their airway, we're not going to encourage that child to vomit because we could bring that chemical back up through their airway, causing damage this time round. We're going to call poisons. Now that number is 13 11 26. What I want you to do is pause the video now, pop that number into your mobile so it is at your reach. Once your child has suspected drinking some sort of poison, you do need to monitor that child. I normally do suggest if it's not life-threatening and you need to go to the hospital, pop them in a car, run up to the hospital and check them out. They might need to be observed for a few hours depending on what sort of poison that they have drunk.
Mom!
Hey mums, if you liked that video, what I want you to do is go and follow my accounts, get my content straight into your feed. Then I want you to practice those skills. You might need them one day. Most importantly, what I want you to do is share. Get my content out there. You just might help save a life.